Yo, this beat is awesome. Let's add music to Unity. Alright, we found ourselves back in Unity once more, and in this tutorial, we're going to be adding a custom background music to our scene. Now for this, I already have some prepared things over here, namely the sound manager. You can take a look at that in the previous video on how to add sounds. All of the code as well as a Unity package is going to be available to you though, so just take a look at the description to basically see. And we have this sci-fi music over here that I've added, and this is going to be, well, basically played in the background. Now, if you already have some sort of sound manager that has an audio source, you might just say, well, let's just add the sci-fi music to that and let's play it, and then that's going to be fine. But the issue is you actually need two different audio sources for that, because one of them is going to be for the sounds, right? So if we just take a look over here, the sound right now, if I click an asteroid, right, it plays a sound that it gets destroyed. And we can't use the same audio source because, well, they don't overlap basically. You have to have a different audio source. So for this, first of all, we're going to add a second audio source right here. And in the script, we need to change the sound manager over here. So let's take a look. So instead of only having one audio source, we basically want a second one. And that's going to be, instead of the audio source, let's say this is going to be the music audio source. There you go. And really the only thing we want to do here is we want to make a private void, and we're going to call this the play BG music method over here. Is just going to call music audio source play, and we're just going to call that in the start method. So just play BG music. There you go. And that's everything we need to do in terms of the code. Now we just need to change the audio source. So in the sound manager, of course, the audio source right here should be selected right here. Now, one thing you will find is that you cannot keep these two apart, right? So you don't know which is which. Now you can click on it, but it's only going to basically show you the game object that this is attached to. So what I highly recommend is taking both of these and actually making another empty game object. So you just make another game object under the sound manager. This is going to be the BG music audio, adding a audio source right here, and then the other one, just another empty one, and that's going to be the SFX audio. There you go. Also adding an audio source, and then we can delete both of those on the sound manager itself. You're going to get missing references, but we can just drag the BG over here and the SFX right here, and now it's way easier to understand, oh, this is going to be the SFX, and this is the BG music audio. Sometimes it's very useful to split it up like this, because another empty game object, there's basically going to be no performance issues with that. Like if that might be one of the concerns that you might have, it's just way easier to keep track of this. But with this done in the BG music audio, we now just want to make sure that the clip over here, namely the sci-fi music, is selected. Let's decrease the volume over here to, let's say, something like 0.5 for the time being, and that should be fine. And if we now were to start, let's hear. We get some nice sci-fi music in the background, and the sound effects, they all still work totally fine. Absolutely freaking fantastic. And that's custom music in Unity. And next time in this video, a game object will look at the mouse. Hope to see you there. So, yeah.